Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I have Stickii. That's right, we have more stickers and this is the October stickers. They send this out once a month. It is $12 plus $1 shipping. So you can get the Stickii for only $13 total. You get a sleeve, several stickers, I think like 6 pages, and we usually get a postcard or two or some other things that we can use. They also send like washi tape sometimes. We just get a variety of things you can use for scrapbooking or journaling, or if you're just sending out a postcard or a birthday card, whatever it is that you're doing, you can dress it up with a little bit of stickers from Stickii. I'd like to also mention that you can get Stickii Club in cute, vintage, or pop, and they give you the choice. They're $12 each, and if you decide you want all three, you could get them all three for $36 a month. There's not a break in the price if you get more. That's just how much they are each, and I always pick the cute for the most part, although I will say I like the vintage lots of times and probably should switch out. But if you don't remember to change it, then you'll get the last ones that you always got, so keep that in mind. And I have a $5 off link if you're interested in Stickii and this is your first time to subscribe. You can click on my link and you can save $5. And it's a win-win because if you want Stickii, then I get $5 too to go toward my next monthly subscription. It is only for subscriptions and it is not usable in their store. But again, if you want to get this for $8 your first time and try it out, that's what it would cost. And without any further ado, let's find out what's in this month's Stickii. On the back side, they have Enjoy Your Cute Pack, and that's what I get is cute. And it says Stickii Club, and I'm a Stickii Club member, and I get this once a month, and I really like it. It is a great little way to add to your stickers. If you're a journaler or a scrapbooker, this would be of interest to you. It always comes in a sleeve like this, and I do have the binder that I can put this in, and I can keep it all separated. And this month it looks like our theme is the cat's Meow. Oh, and all you cat lovers will love that. That is so cool. I have a black cat here, but he's wild. But today when I seen him, I was trying to shoo him away because he was making my dogs bark in the middle of filming, and they were going berserk because they could see him, and he was just sitting out there. And I went out there and I started talking to him, and I said, are you just gonna sit there and get them all upset? And he just sat there with his big old green eyes. He's black with green eyes, beautiful. Looked back at me, and I started walking toward him, and I thought for sure he would take off. But I guess because I was talking to him, I wasn't yelling at him. He was just sitting there watching me. But now when I got halfway to him, he took off in a flash. But that's the closest that I've got him to like pay attention to me. We do feed him, we put food out for him, and he'll come up and eat, but he won't let any of us touch him. And I don't even know if it's a male, I just call him a him. But anyway, we have these nice little, it looks like a paper clip, but it's plastic, and it looks like you can use it for a divider for your pages or something. So okay, this is something else that I don't know anything about. So if you do, is this something that you would use in your journal or your calendar to separate pages, just to have that cute little kitty cat or two sticking up and looking at you, which would be very cute? I think that's what that is. You let me know. Is that what it is? I guess like a plastic paper clip. It's very cute. This month we got index cards, and of course they got kitties on them. We've got this one. We've got a little peekaboo kitty here in the fall leaf. Yeah, that's a fall leaf. We got this one. That is cute. Just like a kitty. Put their paw on it and hold it. Oh yeah. And then go for it. That's what they're going to do. And it looks like there's 4 index cards this month. And we always get this sleeve. And you can put your cards, and if you have other cards or note cards that you want to store, you can do that. You can use these for the corner of your journaling. And on the back side, it's a deeper sleeve, and it starts way up here at top. And we just pull this out, and this is going to have our other stickers. And oh, they're just so cute. It matches up with the index cards, so you could probably use that up for scrapping and make a little note in your scrapbook or your journal. And of course your calendar. In my case, I use a lot of them in my note cards that I send out to people and birthday cards. But those are cute. Look at those little kitties. And then of course here's some delicious snacks that every kitty would probably like to have, maybe shouldn't have, but there's still lots of little goodies and something that we would like, that's for sure. Looks like coffee and donuts and cakes, all kinds of nice things. Oh, look at these. These are adorable. Oh, I love the kitty cat ones. They're so cute. Look at that. It's going to be hard to pick a favorite out of here. And then we have this. If you'll notice down the corner, that's like Jaslyn Art. That is the artist of these stickers. And they do give credit to their artist for all those that create on their behalf. And those are so cute. And just in case I didn't show you, there's our artist on this one, Lot Street Cat. And then we have Cat Soul over here. And this one's just by Stickii, I believe. There's no particular artist. And then this one had an artist, Heather Sketcheroo. Well, that's cute. And then we have another thing of kitties here. And this is from the Sticker Club and at Muffin. So I'm not sure if she's someone that works for them. And then she's getting credit for it. But aren't those adorable? Just cute little kitties. And then, oh, looky here, we got black and purple. That's just in time for Halloween. Very cute. Like that. And then we have this. Little note paper sheets, or you could use it in your scrapbooking. However you'd want to do it, you could use it to put stickers and make different decorations on there and send a little note off to somebody. So they give you lots of little sheets of these, I think about 6, and they have it in a sleeve so you can keep it all protected inside here. And so that was our Stickii for this month. And do you have a favorite? Is your favorite using things like this and or the index cards? As far as stickers, do you have a favorite of all these stickers? They're all so cute, it's too hard to pick, but I'm gonna have to pick these two. I like this one, which I liked it right off the bat, and then I like this one, it's so cute. You let me know what your favorites are, and of course I like pink, so I like this too. Who am I kidding? I like it all. And I wanted to show you real quick that this is my binder. And yeah, it's getting really thick and this holds a lot. And I also put other stickers in here besides the Stickii. So I have my whole sticker collection that will fit in here inside here. But this binder, you can get it with the pink binder. You can get a blue and a gold, I believe. And you do have some pockets on the inside that you can hold some other stickers. And it runs right at $16 plus shipping. And like I said, you can't use the $5 off on that, but you can use that on a subscription. So if you're interested and this is something for you, consider subscribing to Stickii and you can have these cute little stickers. And I think you can get this month's stickers all the way through the 27th of October. If you order before then, you would be able to get this exact pack. Of course, you could ask them if that's the one you're going to get with the kitty cats and they can confirm it. I guess the only reason that you couldn't would be as if they sold out. But this is my Stickii this month. Let me know your favorites. And as far as Stickii goes, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.